Okay, scientists, in this video I want to show you how to use veneer video analysis to collect some data from the Olaf drop video. So when you open the link from Canvas, it's going to pop up with a window that asks you to import a video. Now you might not be able to see this on the video because this video is only recording the tab. What you want to do is click on import video, and then from your drive you want to pick the Olaf drop video that you've downloaded to your drive from Canvas. And when you do that, you should see something that looks like this. Okay? Now, before we get started, I'm going to take this and drag it so I can see all of the data that's going to appear. You want to see time, x, y, x velocity, and y velocity in this data table. Okay? And the video looks like this. All right? And the first thing we need to do with this video is tell the program where 0 is and how big things are. Okay? So if you go over to this menu here and you click on the system icon, that's the menu on the left side of the screen, you will see some choices: scale, origin, and distance. You want to start with the scale, and you're going to take these circles and put the center of the circle where the line ends at the two ends of the meter stick, like that. And up here it says that's equal to 1 meter. All right? So you've now given the program a reference that tells it how big a meter is. Then you want to go back to your menu and click on origin and move the crosshairs of your XY axis right where the trim meets the floor so it knows where 0 is. Okay, now you're ready to go. You're going to go up to the menu again and you're going to click on the icon at the top that says add. Okay, now you'll notice when you put your cursor on the video, you now see a crosshairs. Okay, your first step is to go down here. Let's get this out of the way, and click play. And you're going to play it until about the time I drop Olaf, and then you're going to pause it. There it goes. And Olaf is dropped. Now, what you want to do is get the video back to the point where Olaf has just started to fall. And you see these two arrows right here, the curved arrows to the left and the curved arrow to the right. Those advance the video or rewind the video by a single frame. So I'm going to move this back until Olaf is right about to leave my hand, like that. Okay, now I'm ready to go. What this will allow you to do is track the object that's falling, in this case Olaf, and then because you told it where 0 is and how big things are, and because it knows how to keep time, it will calculate for you where Olaf is in space and time and how fast Olaf is going. All right, so the first step is I'm going to take my cursor crosshairs, I'm going to put it right on Olaf's head, and I'm going to click. Okay, now that puts a point and will advance the video automatically. I'm going to put my next point. Okay, now it's a little hard at this point to get separation because Olaf isn't moving very much. But I'm going to keep on doing that, and as you see, as Olaf falls, he will accelerate, and he's going to get or move further in each frame. The key here is you want to click on the same part of Olaf each time. So his nose, if you can see it, is a good one because it's orange. Now you can already start to see the dots are spreading out a little bit as Olaf speeds up. And as I do this, over on the right side of the screen, you can see data is being collected. Okay? It is telling you how much time has passed, what Olaf's value in the horizontal direction is, and Olaf's height, that's y parentheses m. The x velocity doesn't really matter. The y velocity is how fast Olaf is going. And note, it's negative. That's okay. It doesn't matter. That's just showing that Olaf is moving down. Keep on clicking on Olaf until he gets all the way to the bottom and hits the ground. Okay? What you will have when you're done doing that is a nice set of time, height, and velocity data. And that set of data, in particular the height and velocity values, can be used to calculate Olaf's energy. Now, that's not the best track I've ever done. The points should be a little more evenly spaced out, but that gives you the basic idea. And up here in the graph, you should see something like this. Okay, so that's the basics of how to use video analysis to track the data. What you'll be doing next is picking 6 of these points and inputting the y parentheses m, or the height value, and the y velocity value into your Olaf energy calculator, which is programmed to calculate Olaf's potential and kinetic energy with that data. All right, hope this helps.